Today's strategy consists of collecting free emails and getting paid for doing that. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can use this strategy and make money online. If you stay with me until the end of the video, I'll also show you how you can set it up on complete autopilot so you can get those emails completely passively and earn money without spending a lot of time and effort. And also, it is absolutely free and worldwide available. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. And if you love this type of content and you'd like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. For the step number 1, you'll need to head over to this platform called fplus.com. This is a CPA marketplace where you can find thousands of different CPA offers from any niche which you can promote. CPA stands for cost per action, which means you can refer people to some offers where they, in most of cases, just need to enter their email address and you'll get paid. So just by collecting emails with this platform right here, you'll get paid. If you want to set this up on autopilot though, so you can collect those emails passively, make sure to stay until the end because I'll give you a tool that will help you for that. So just come over at fplus.com and then go over to the search bar right here and start searching for different niches that you want your offer to be in. Here in the right hand side you can see exactly how much money each of those offers will pay you. So for each email you can get paid anywhere from a couple of cents all the way up to hundreds of dollars. So now that you know how FPlus works, you need to proceed with the step number 2, which is to go over to Google and search for free PLR books. PLR stands for private label rights, which means all of these PLR books have a full license so you can sell them, give them out, change them. So just find one of these platforms that you like the most, and I'm going to use the freeplrdownloads.com website. All of these different ebooks are available for us for free, and we can give them away to other people also for free and make changes to these ebooks. And I'm going to explain to you how is this going to help you make money on autopilot, combining it with another platform, so stay tuned for that. Now here on the left hand side you have all of these different categories you can choose from, like affiliate marketing, body, business, fitness, finance, internet marketing, self-help, and so on and so forth. So just decide which niche you want to focus on. For the sake of this tutorial I'm going with the fitness niche. So I'm going to click on it and now it's going to give me different ebooks related to the fitness niche, which I can give away to other people for free. You can go over these different ebooks and find one that you like and open that up. And let's say, for example, you want to download this one right here, which is about weight loss. Just click on it and then read the description of it. And if you like it, you can scroll a little bit down and then you can click on the download button right here and it will be immediately downloaded on your computer, as you can see right here. Now that you got the ebook on your computer, you will proceed to step number 3, which is to come back over at fplus.com and find an offer that is in the same category as your ebook. So go over to the search bar here and find some weight loss offers to promote. Remember that you need to find offers to refer to people so they can just enter their email addresses and you'll get paid. For example, this one is going to pay you $35 per each sign up that you get. This one is going to pay you $600 per each email. This one $15 per each email. This one $119 per each email, and so on and so forth. And let's say, for example, I'm going to use this offer that it's going to pay me $106. All you need to do after you found the offer that you like is to click on join network right here so you can sign up and you'll be able to get the affiliate link so you can promote this offer. If I'm being paid $106 per email in this case, it means that I only need 10 emails to make more than $1,000, which is pretty good. This is the offer that I'm promoting and your offer is probably going to look similar. And as you can see, all people need to do is to enter their first name, last name, their address, their phone name and their email address right here and click on rush my order, and then I'll get paid. They just need to become qualified leads and I'll get paid per each CPA lead. But how you can get traffic to your affiliate link? Before going over that, there is something else you need to set up first. You'll need to go over to Google and search for PDF to Docs, and after that open up a platform that you like, because you'll need to convert that PDF ebook that you downloaded for free before into a docs file. I've opened up this one right here, which is called pdf2doc.com. You'll need to click on the upload files button right here and then select your ebook, and it's going to be uploaded in a couple of seconds. After that, you'll need to click on the download button right here, and as you can see, you'll get it on your computer as a docs file. Now you just need to open it up. And now we will use a simple trick that not a lot of people know about. And the simple trick is to make some changes to this ebook by adding some text between the lines with your own call to action and your own CPA referral link. So just find a proper place to add the text. For example, right here, and you can write something along the lines of lose weight fast. That's my call to action, and below that just paste the referral link which you're going to get from your offer, and whenever someone clicks on your link, they'll just need to enter their email address and I'll get paid. And now you can customize this text however you want, just write something that you like to make it look more appealing. And whenever someone starts reading this ebook about how to lose weight, they'll be able to see your link right here. They can click on it and they can get the product that will help them lose weight. So you are helping them and you are making money for yourself per each email that you collect. To maximize your chances of getting more emails collected, I recommend you copy this text and just paste it multiple times through the ebook so you can attract people's attention and they will be more likely to click on your link. Once you're done, just save it like this, or you can also convert it in a PDF file if you want to. There are plenty of platforms on Google which you can find and use. Now for the last step, you'll need to drive traffic to your link. So you need to start sharing your edited ebook with other people that will be interested in losing weight. You can come over to Facebook and you can search for groups related to your niche, and in this case it is about losing weight, and it will give you all of these different groups with thousands of members that you can join and then start sharing your ebook with those members so they can read it and can see your link and click on it and then leave their email so you can make money. I really hope you liked today's strategy, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you can get notified whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.